In my view, the most important thing we could learn from COVID-19 is that the life and health of people in different countries have never been so closely connected. Also, it has never been made so clear to us that all nations live in the same global village, and that humanity is in fact a community with a shared future. The virus respects no borders or races. It poses a challenge to all humans without distinction. Political manipulation will give the virus loopholes to exploit. A beggar-thy-neighbor approach will leave each of us more vulnerable. Rejection of science will allow the virus to wreak greater havoc. With this in mind, President Xi Jinping has made the case to the world time and again that the virus is a common enemy of mankind, and that the only way to defeat it is to pull together with solidarity and cooperation, which are the most effective weapons against the virus. The attempt to file frivolous lawsuits is a shoddy one, as it has zero basis in fact, law, or international precedents. COVID-19 has caught the whole world by surprise. China, like other countries, is a victim. Confronted by an unknown virus, we have acted responsibly to protect people's life and health and safeguard global public health. China was the first country to report cases to WHO and promptly share information with relevant countries and regions, the first to sequence the genome of the virus and share it with the world, and the first to publish guidelines for treatment and containment. Once we sensed the risk of human infection, we made a tough decision that cut off the route of transmission in the shortest possible time and stopped the fast-spreading virus in its tracks. All this was achieved at enormous cost and with huge sacrifice. China's record of COVID-19 response is there for the world to see, with a clear timeline and solid data that will stand the test of time and history. As for WHO's international standing and its place in history, I'm sure clear-eyed people the world over will reach a fair conclusion, one that will not be altered just because some country doesn't like it. Those who throw mud at WHO will only leave a stain on themselves. Since the start of the outbreak, WHO, under the leadership of Dr. Tedros, has followed science and given timely and professional advice at every turn. It has done a good job and performed its mandate. What we are seeing is this. Those countries that heeded and followed WHO advice are more successful in bringing the virus under control, while those that ignored or rejected its advice are paying a heavy price.